Hey guys, welcome back. Today we have another Lumary product to review, unbox, and install. This is a smart RGB AI linear light. It's 4 foot long. It's got your normal white light from warm to cool, and also RGB color, rainbow color light on the other end. So it has a light on both sides. And then it's just suspend on the ceiling. So it's gonna give your room a very elegant look, I think. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we have. So looks like we have a standard 110 outlet, which is nice because then I don't have to splice into any power source. And this is the light itself. So like I said, it has the lights here and here on both sides. This is probably the RGB, and then this is probably the normal white light. Take this out of the package. This is a 40-watt system, so it should be pretty bright. In the box, we also have the remote. See if this is out, and then the suspending cable wire. So I'll show you in a bit where I plan to have this mounted. This right here in front of me is a pool table, and then this is like an extended patio room that I have. So above we have some starry light, fairy light, whatever you call them. Would be cool to have this suspended here, so that way we have really nice lighting as we play billiard. Okay, so I just got this figured out as far as how this gets mounted. So these loops are gonna be facing the ceiling, so this is how it's gonna get suspended. So you want to place this little groove, all right, into the cable, and then you got this nut. So you slide that in like that, and then you put that screw in. Don't have to be super tight for now, and then depending on how much you want to hang it, so you could pull this back as short or as long as you need it. In my case, it's not going to be very long, so it'll be something like this. And then you will unscrew this guy, and then use the screws provided here. Anchor this guy on your ceiling, and then you just thread this back in like that. So this is gonna get anchored onto the ceiling, and then this mounts on like that. So just like that. Okay, so I just figured this out. I think it's pretty cool, so I'm going to show you guys. So I laid this out. This is about halfway. This is the middle pocket of the billiard table, and this is about half length of the 4 foot long light. So this is the middle. So this is exactly where I want the light to be, but I just need it to be suspended here. So this is my laser distance measuring tool. So I'm going to shoot a laser on top, and then right there, that's where I'm going to be drilling. So I don't have to measure anything on the roof. I will know exactly where I want to drill the hole to mount this guy right here. So that's all I want to show you. So all right, I just got it mounted and plugged in temporarily. Right now it's hooked up to my power station. I'm gonna turn it on for the first time right now. So just gonna give it power. Oh, there you go. So the white light is flickering right now, or it's what they call like a breathing, because I believe I need to go ahead and use my phone and connect or sync the app with the light. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do right now. Sync up with the light. In the past, with the other Lumary product, it's a really straightforward process. So I'm assuming this is more or less the same. So add device, and I'm assuming it should pick it up rather quickly. So and let me guys. The mirror app. So there you go. Right away we found the device. So you're gonna have to is connect to Wi-Fi. And this process should not take very long. Probably anytime now within there you go. I saw the light just blinked. Ouch. There you go. So just got it connected. You could give it a name if you want. We're gonna just complete the setup. Alright, so I got it all installed and powered on. As you can see, I did some wire management and just kind of hide the cable in those wire channel. And then on the bottom here is the normal white light. And as you can also see on the back side is has RGB lights shooting up against the ceiling, which gives it a really cool effect. And the white light here, I have it set slightly warm. It's aiming directly at my billiard table. And then I have the app here. I'm going to show you some of the settings. So if I want, I could turn off the backlight and just have the reading light or the normal white light. And then this is actually on really low setting. It's at about 30%. So if I crank that up, it gets super bright, which is nice if you need it. But in my case, I don't need it that bright. I'm just gonna have it slightly dim for my my use. And then also you got all these different presets. This is your daily, just kind of like reading light if you have it at your desk. This is super warm. This is called a streamer. So I guess for you streamer, you could use this setup. It's party mode. I guess this is supposed to go with your music and stuff. Leisure. These kind of look all the same. And then, oh, here is your timer. And what else you got? Oh, so here's a bunch of presets for the backlight. There you go. Not gonna go through every one of them, but yeah, they're pretty cool. You have spring outing, Christmas Eve. Yeah, so there you have it. And oh, and let me show you real quick. Let me change it back to whatever I had it. So with the light off, okay, turn that off first, and then I'm going to turn off the main light just so you see how much this light is lighting up the place. Right now it's at 50%. So again, if I go full brightness, it could light up the whole room right here, no problem. So there you have it, Lumary linear light. I'll leave a link in the description. So thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.